When to use 6x139.7 wheel spacers on your lateral edge. 6x139.7 wheel spacers are used to increase the distance between the wheel hub and the outer edge of the wheel, to improve appearance, to enhance handling and performance, to fit larger wheels or tires on your lateral edge, to avoid rubbing or clearance issues with your wheels or tires. The appearance of your lateral edge is a matter of personal preference and taste. Wheel spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, creating a more aggressive and sporty look. They can also make your wheels more visible and noticeable, highlighting their design and style. The handling and performance of your lateral edge are affected by various factors, such as your suspension system, brake system, increasing the clearance of your wheels or tires. The clearance of your wheels or tires is the amount of space that allows them to move freely without rubbing against your fender or other part of your lateral edge. You need to have enough clearance for your wheels or tires to accommodate the suspension travel, steering angle, tire flex, and load variation. 6x139.7 wheel spacers can increase the clearance of your wheels or tires by pushing them outward, away from the inner edge of your fenders, creating the offset of your wheels or tires. The offset of your wheels or tires is the distance between the center lines of the wheel or tire and the mounting surface of the hub. 6x139.7 wheel spacers can create the offset of your wheels or tires by changing their position relatively to the hub. In addition, the BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat extraction grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute and better shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of active dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect. And in road safety, also the BONOSS active cooling lateral edge wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.